Welcome to the channel, Nessa Sunshine. I'm Nessa, and today we are getting into a ColourPop Precious Metals eyeshadow look, doing this on the eyes and this lip combo. If you're interested in getting this glam look, well, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've been doing beauty. I've been in the industry for over a decade. Baby Sunshine is sitting with me right now, and I've been in the industry for over a decade doing beauty makeup. I was a makeup artist, and I am a mom now, but I've also been sharing YouTube tutorials here on YouTube for 10 years. So if you're interested in getting looks to make you look great, well, subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the tutorial. Primer. First off, I just have set my lids with concealer and powder. I also am wearing the Desio Contacts in the shade Classic Blue, and these also have prescription, so that is great. I have an affiliate link down below if you're interested. Shadow. The first shade I'll get into is Own It, and I will take the Nabla N207 brush. Looking forward and then down into my mirror, I'm going to take the very base of the brush and tap it in the outer corner. Looking straight and down into my brush, I'm taking the base and tapping in the outer corner, and then I'll use some swiper motions inward to get the shadow on in the crease above the area on the brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and start patting on the outer corner, in the crease, above the crease area, also on the brow bone, to just pack the color on in stamping motions, but also swiping motion. Stamped my brush once more in the shadow, and I'm adding more to the brow bone above the crease area in the outer corner, blending in swiper motion. So I'll go into the center and then out to the outer edge. Do the same thing to the other side. The next shade I'm going to get into is my best asset and the Nabla N302 brush. With the tip of the brush and the outer corner, I'm going to start to press with a medium amount of pressure, and I'm going from the outer corner in the crease area above the crease up to the center area as well. And then I'm going to blend it down into the mobile lid, the outer edge of the mobile lid, with swiping motion and a medium pressure. I'm taking more of the shadow and adding it to the outer corner on the mobile lid, and I'm blending inward with swiper motion. Since I'm blending with my creasing, I like to look down because I do get this little line, and I like to blend this area out while I'm looking down into my mirror. And I loosely use my blending brush. I'll use the sides of my blending brush just to blend everything so there's no creasing. Next, I'll take the shade So Metal and my handy dandy ring finger. I'll swipe onto the mobile lid and I'll blend a little with my pinky. To add some definition, I'm going to go back into my best asset with the same Nabla N302 brush. I'll take the tip of the brush from the outer corner and I'll blend forward to the center of the mobile lid, from the outer corner where the crease is, and then down to the center of the mobile lid to deepen and redefine this area. I'll go back into my best asset, pinch the brush, and blend on the lower lash line as well. Next, I'll take this ColourPop shadow stick in the shade Angel Vibes. I'll take this into the inner corner, swipe up. I'll also take a little bit of this into the mobile lid inner part. You can probably take the shade Priceless or one of the lighter shimmers and add to this if you don't have this shadow stick and you just have the palette. But I like this because it's just going to bring a pretty lighter and a champagne-y color to the inner corner. So I'm using my ring finger to blend as well while I add that. I'll add this to the lower inner corner as well to brighten everything up. Eyeliner. Next, I'll be adding some liner. This is the Cruise Liner Eye Pencil in Milano from Gen C. Lashes. Now it's time for eyelashes, and I'll be adding the Kulfi mascara in their new Badi lash mascara. It's a tubing mascara. On top of that, I'll add the Lilly Lashes Body Heat Activated Self-Adhesive Band in TrendSetter. For lips today, I'll be getting into the Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Gifted, and I'll overline the lips a little bit. And then I'll use an Elevate Beauty Matte Lip Edit. I'll put the name on the screen. And then finally, I will complete with just a little bit in the center on the top and bottom lip, the YSL 44 Lip Oil Gloss. And voila, that completes the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Bye now.